Welcome to this module. In this module, we are going to consider the solar panel efficiency. You have been hearing us making reference to efficiency. You might be asking, what is efficiency? So we have to throw some light, do some explanation of what efficiency is all about. When we are talking about efficiency, we are talking about the percentage of work put into a machine by the user. That is the input work that becomes work done by the machine, the output work. If you were a good science student, this topic was treated in physics. For those people that were physics students, they'll get a clearer understanding of what efficiency is all about. In real life, you cannot give all that you have. If you have $100 and somebody come to you to borrow money, you will definitely not give out the entire $100 if that is your last money. You will reserve some for yourself in case there is any emergency. The same applies to the machine that we use. If you will be opportune to join us in our masterclass, we will deliberate more on efficiency, because when you are talking about your solar inverter, you have to be very familiar with the efficiency of the inverter. So the output work is always less than the input work, because some of the input work is used to overcome friction. There is no machine that is frictionless. The parts will certainly experience friction, and during the friction process, some energy will be wasted as heat, and they might be transformed to other form of energy. Therefore, efficiency is always less than 100%. When we are talking about efficiency, if you join us in a master class, we'll talk about the power factor of a machine, of an inverter, whether the power factor is 0.8 or a unity power factor. So the efficiency that we have when we are considering any solar component is how close the output work is close to 100%. So we are saying that efficiency is always less than 100. The closer to 100% a machine is, the better it is at reducing friction. A frictionless machine would have an efficiency of 100%. That is a brief introduction of what efficiency is. And we know that no machine is 100% efficient. And that means energy put into a machine cannot be equal to energy output of a machine. unless the machine is a frictionless machine. Irrespective of the fact that the machine is a frictionless machine, it cannot give you 100% efficiency. So, solar panel efficiency defines the rate at which a given solar panel turns sunlight into electricity. There is always a formula associated with calculating efficiency. If you make reference to your physics, you know that your efficiency is the output work divided by the input work multiplied by 100. If you put those parameters into the formula, we are not here for calculation yet. If you are given some parameters and you substitute them into this formula, it will give you the efficiency of a particular machine or a gadget. But let's move to another topic which is of interest in this context. We have to consider the factors that affect the efficiency of a solar panel. What are the factors that affect the efficiency of a solar panel? We talked about the cell material of a solar panel. The cell material of any solar panel will always contribute to the efficiency of a solar panel. We talked about the monocrystalline solar panels, the polycrystalline solar panels, and the amorphous solar panels. The manufacturing process is what determines the efficiency of those solar panels. The planning, how do you plan the installation? There are some people that call us, this panel is not generating as expected. How did you connect it? Is it in parallel or is it in series? So those are the things that also contribute to the efficiency, the output that you get during your installation, the planning stage. So we also know that the installation, how do you install your solar panel? This is also a contributive factor when you are considering the efficiency of a solar panel. You also have to know that how do you maintain your solar panel also give you an impression of the output that your solar panel will also give. These and more are some of the factors that affect the efficiency of any solar panel. Thank you.